Hi everybody, I got my email from Siri that said this was coming on the 18th, but it's the 13th, and 13 is my lucky number. Thank you, Siri. Let's crack this sucker open very carefully. Oh my god, it's heavier than the other lenses, that's for sure. I mean, this is the 24mm, and I got E-mount. I had a hard time deciding what mount to get, so last second I decided to get E-mount. Kind of wanted to get micro for a third mount, but last second changed my mind, so oh well. Kind of should have got micro for a third, I think. Anyways, here it is. Sucker's heavy, much heavier than the other two, and I don't know. Alright, so we got our vacuum sealed. Oh, this one is really vacuum sealed this time. So okay, ooh, it's cold. Alright, and here we go, 24. And we add it to the Holy Trinity. Alright, I'm excited, guys. The new 24mm anamorphic by Sirui. See how it goes on here. There we go. That was, wow.
Oh, you're overspinning.
Wow, it's definitely heavier than the other ones. There we go, now we're in focus.
Oh, wait, don't move, don't move. Let me see if I can get... There we go, I got you a perfect cover photo or whatever they call it.
Okay.
What do they call it? A thumbnail.
Nice. Alright, so the aperture ring is a little bit stiffer, which is good, and the focus ring is very smooth, very silky smooth this time. So I think that's a lot better. That's a much improvement, because I think the 50 is a little bit stiffer, but I'm gonna have fun. We'll make another movie using the Holy Trinity of Sirui anamorphics, APS-C lenses. There we go, now we're in focus.
Oh, wait, don't move, don't move. Let me see if I can get... There we go, I got you a perfect cover photo or whatever they're called.
Okay.
What do they call it? A thumbnail.
Nice.